Hey, so one of our summer projects this summer was upgrading some door hardware and providing a new key system for a local school system here in the area. So let's go take a look at it and see how it's going.
You turn on like lightning and spark up a fire when you do you.
So all said and done, there was about 40 lock sets that were upgraded, rekeyed the whole school. It went really well. If we can be of any service to you on the mechanical, electronic security side, make sure you give us a call, 540-343-7600. Stay tuned to YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more. And I'm going to get back to work. Have a great night.